Hello everybody, it's Sacha here, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can turn a side hustle into a full-time job and how to apply your skills and make them useful in the business world, and how to find an industry that you think you could be useful in, you can contribute to, and how to make money from that. So let's get into this video. So the best way, in my opinion, to turn a side hustle into a business is to pursue a passion. So understand what you're interested in, understand what you enjoy. Note the things that you have a passion in. Do you like to play sports? Do you like to play video games? Do you like to sell cookies? Do you like to bake cookies? You can sell cookies. Or think of what you participate in. Are you an athlete? Do shoes interest you? Basketball shoes, for example, if you're an athlete. Or even, have you ever found a job that anyone else does interesting? Or found a job that anyone else does interesting? For example, could you take inspiration from someone else? Think that their job is cool. For example, if someone's reselling things on eBay or Shopify, even marketing them on Instagram, for example, the business like that, you find that interesting, would you want to do it? You can always ask them, you can start networking with them, and you can try to build a business off of that and off their idea if it makes it interesting. And at the end of the day, you're gaining the experience needed when you're older to start a well-functioning business as well. And you want to apply your skills when you find your passion to the business that you want to start to ensure its success. So, as I mentioned networking earlier, it's also really important to talk to people that are in a similar business as you so you can understand what you need to do to ensure your success. So, and also another point I want to mention is that the larger you build your audience, the better. And not only do I mean audience by customers, but I mean audience by people you talk to and communicate to who are also vending to the same customers as you. So if, for example, you took that friend idea that I gave where you take an idea from a friend, you start a business similar to that, you can ask them for tips, advice, and help, and you could essentially build your business without the issues or potential issues even that you could encounter and eliminate them right off the bat, and how to make proper strategy and develop a good way and a good plan to execute your business. And when you find those issues, you want to make the changes and corrections. And obviously, this will lead to expansion once you start networking. You'll expand your team. You'll expand the people that you know. You'll expand your experience. Really, it's just a beneficial thing in general to talk to people that are in a similar business as you. And the final thing that I want to talk about is cause and effect. So what do I mean by this? Everyone knows what cause and effect means, but how can we correlate this to the entrepreneurship world? So obviously, cause equals effect. So what I mean by this is the primary example, a key factor is hours gives results. So the amount of time and dedication you put into your business and the more you understand it in-depthly will give you more results. So say you're trying to you want to sell let's use a shoe example. You want to sell a shoe. You need to study the market, understand what things are going for. You don't want to buy things that are overpriced and resell it for something that's way overpriced that no one will buy. The greater you understand the market, the more customers you'll be able to attract because they'll like your offer better than other people because you understand the market better and you're able to offer that better deal. And key in effort is also motivation. So you don't want to start a business about something you're not passionate about because you're not going to have the motivation and you're not going to want to put in the effort to see your business succeed. So with that being said, start a business about something that you're passionate about and make sure you enjoy what you do because at the end of the day, that's what's going to make your business most successful. So I hope you guys appreciated this video, and if you did, if you guys found it useful, if you guys learned anything, it'd be appreciated if you guys would leave a like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and thanks guys. Peace out.